My name is Sawan, also known as Madman, also known as Dhasu Sadhu. I did my graduation from Chandigarh Arts College in sculpture in 2009, and I've been working in several mediums: visual arts, painting, design, photography, filmmaking, installation art, and recently I've started working as a street artist. So these days I'm making graffitis. Theme for tomorrow's event is past, present, futures, the three divisions of time that we know. And these are the three divisions of time which actually describes what life is. We learn from past, we stay in present, and we then apply things to the future so that we can make a better future. So it's a very appropriate theme because it actually describes what is life. TED is about spreading ideas, sharing ideas, and Infosys represents technology. And when you collaborate both things, they work towards the betterment of the humanity and future. So it's a very necessary, very basic collaboration, and I'm happy that both collaborated.